I'm supposed to do that?
Girl, I too much. I can't deal with it.
He said, she said, "Boo, where Craig at?"
This is the disclaimer. We is smoking tobacco and we wrote it up in a sweatshirt and it's a prop for the thing. We don't condone in smoking. Kids do not smoke, stay in school.
You in my business? Don't do that.
Scratch that. What's going on, YouTube? What's going on? What's going on? You already know. It's your boy, Devontae. It's my world, and y'all just living in it. And we back for another video, but not just any video, but a lit video. And there it is.
And we on that.
So we finna do the acting ratchet, and we're gonna do a never have I ever edition. So let's get into it. And y'all got your questions? Hold on. Girl, cause y'all got y'all questions.
Yeah, okay, come on.
Y'all need to come on, we need to do this vid. No, girl, we do this vid because Kiwi finna pull up and then I'm finna go kick it with Strawberry. So, you know, I'm trying to tell you. And I'm tired of dealing with these niggas. I'm trying to stop dealing with these motherfuckers with these fruits names.
Okay.
Because these motherfuckers really a little fruity for me.
Motherfucker said, what you say? Cinnamon down.
I need you to, I'm trying to tell you, little daddy, sweet as hell. I'm trying to tell you. High blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes, all that, because I'm trying to tell you. And that's on me, and that's on period pool, because at the end of the day, I'm about to start putting motherfuckers on child support, because these kids, I'm sure.
Matter of fact, don't even bring up child support, bitch.
Girl, I should tell you, girl, because all the baby daddies you got, you might want to put somebody on child support, talk about girl,
first of all, she lying.
I ain't mean to do that, but
she lying. I ain't got no
kids,
no baby daddies, no nothing.
I do. I got several baby daddies.
Okay, and this.
But I'm trying to find another one.
What does she want to do? This my whole baby mama. This bitch,
I'm trying to tell y'all trying to collect the check, so you motherfuckers, if y'all want to, better come this way because at the end I'm trying to collect that check.
What he
y'all
say?
go just straight on good motherfucking child support on me. No, y'all. I'm trying to tell you because I'm trying not to do all of it, but y'all already know this is what I ain't gonna be like that. But it is what it is, so we finna get to this never have our motherfuckers.
All of that shabba-labba-boo-bop.
Because that is what it is, and it is gonna be, and it's stuck, and we're gonna do that with that doing.
I can't say
I'm not talking about.
Okay, let's get back to it.
Girl,
so let's run the game.
Running up at Do it then.
Ooh, Black Cherry over there feeling the way, baby. She
it is.
That's Black Cherry.
Bitch,
that's
peaches.
Where your Kool-Aid at, girl?
I'm
you gotta have Kool-Aid.
You hot or whatever.
Girl, this that new flavor, girl. This that black and delicious.
The black and the berry, the sweet of the juice.
Who you have?
All right, come on, y'all. So who went first?
Hold on. Scratch that before we get any further into it. I'm so motherfucking rude. I'm so very rude, y'all. I know y'all wondering. Y'all see two beautiful, lovely ladies. We're going to get back to the ratchetness. Would y'all like to introduce yourself? I have some special guests, y'all. Lit, beautiful, and everything. Naturally, baby. Y'all want to introduce yourself?
Hell yeah. So look. My name is Tina motherfucking White. Period. Check me out. Tina White in this bitch. Let's get it going.
That's my name.
And my name is Lakeisha Latiffany. And follow me on Instagram, Miss_N.com. No broke niggas.
Hear what my bitch said.
No broke niggas.
Pause.
I've been drinking my flat tummy tea, trying to get my stomach right, period.
Girl, your ass telling all the business. Anyways. Girl, your ass just said two names, bitch. You got a first name and a last name, or two first names.
Lakeisha
Baby, girl, y'all don't follow her ass. She a thought. I'm trying to tell you. Her got
no
popping it open for
y'all
all
heard
the
what
niggas.
No,
and you got some money,
and
you got a little nice car, and a little kill. This shit gonna pop it open. You gonna have another baby. And you gonna be on child support.
Y'all making me sick. I'm home.
Damn, can
I smoke with you?
Y'all, don't mind me right now, because I gotta get my hair done, you feel me? Because I'm out here on my bald head, whole shit.
Ow.
You already know.
Oh, yeah.
Back to this video. Never have I ever. I'm gonna start it off. We gonna put these up. And when he's gone, is when we gone. And that's just what it is. And that's on period. But I ain't trying to be all real, but this is a ratchet video, so bitch, turn the fuck up and get ratchet. And that's just what it is.
My is not even done. That's ratchet already.
Period.
Bro, this last ponytail, we all know my motherfucking ponytail ain't never this little. Maybe I had to do some finessing and some twisting to get this. But at the end of the day, girl, I can get my hair done though, you know, and it itch.
What Craig at?
I'm trying to tell you, Keisha and them and Tapuka and them and all of them and Tiffany, them bitches over there. She said don't be scratching, so I gotta pat y'all.
You gotta pat that shit. You can't scratch. You
I gotta
pat.
get it because I don't want to scratch it because she gonna put a little perm in it, girl.
Yeah.
I know,
Do not,
girl.
Y'all, I ain't funny as fuck.
Girl,
Bitch, I gotta put
you.
this up, bitch. I got braids. I scratched my shit with one nail. Girl, you heard me?
That's with the nails, though.
Right.
Trying to come out
First of all, right.
You need to pat
with the nails.
You need to pat.
I don't got a pat, bitch. I do this.
Girl, I don't smoke all your stuff.
She said you need to pat.
But anywho, we got our 10 fingers. We ready. And it's about to go down, y'all. Oh, my bad. I thought I hit that damn. Don't do that.
My bad.
Girl, you gotta sit up so they can see your beautiful face. Yeah, right there. You go right. Oh, damn. I like all that. Oh.
My bad.
Y'all seen that? Y'all
Come
seen
on,
that,
y'all, for real.
Alright, so never have I got caught by the police doing inappropriate things in a car. In a parking lot.
I never.
I haven't.
Your turn.
Okay.
Miss Khalifa, Carisha, and all of them.
Lakeisha, Tiffany?
Oh, the Tiffany and all of them people.
Let's see. I'm gonna make my real.
Girl, come on now. You take all that. We ain't gonna even be able to get no bid in because you
never have I. Is this an X-rated video?
Girl, it's everything.
Oh, it's X-rated. This X-rated?
I guess so.
Never have I ever. Never have I ever licked the back of a tall, sexy man's nutsack.
Girl, she had to say all of that. Girl, she extended it. I'm trying to tell y'all because she extended it. But hold on. We ain't gonna talk about that. We just gonna leave that in there. We ain't gonna act like we ain't see what I just did. But we gonna sit there. We gonna leave that where that is. Cause girl, at the end of the day, girl, I got about 28 kids, girl, and I got about 27 different personalities. So
me too.
I don't even know. I probably have. But your turn, Pooh.
So we not gonna answer that?
Bitch, we did. We ain't never did that.
Girl, I put my finger down, baby. I'm at 8.
Okay, thank you.
Shit.
I'm at 8. Girl, shit. Who it is, what it do.
So we not taking shot. We not drinking.
Girl, we gonna
okay, so
sit
look.
where y'all drinking. I got my drink.
My drink over there.
Never have I ever. Wait. Shut the fuck up. Never have I ever.
Girl, you take all my fucking.
Shut up.
You take all. Okay.
Shit, damn.
I'm saying.
And I'm gonna take all day.
Saying,
Matter of fact,
and I'm
when
saying, y'all still only got one hoop because earlier I got into it with Kiwi and Strawberry because they found out I was dealing with them and then it just went real south because we had a whole fruit basket going on that day. That motherfucker jumped on me, I jumped on him, I jumped on Strawberry jumped on me, jumped on him, and we all was just in the bed.
Bitches, you gonna let me say what the fuck I gotta say?
And they snatched one of my earrings out.
Dang!
I'm sorry. And they snatched my hair out, that's why I got it redone.
Never have I ever.
I'm sorry! Oh my god. Oh god.
Bitch, you make me sick. Anyways, never have I ever motherfucking dick with syrup. Damn.
Why you ain't just say with food condiments? Why you ain't just say with food? She got that with food condiments. It didn't have to be no specific food condiment because everybody did different food condiments. So you should have said with food content. Because that's still a part of food. That's something you put on food. So at the end, you should have said food content, bitch.
Get off that.
I ain't even gonna do that because all of that because at the end of the day, Kiwi and Strawberry is
Shaquila.
Girl, you call me Black Cherry, baby. I'm Black Cherry.
Bitch, you Shaquila right now, bitch. You Black Cherry on your own.
And that bitch
you being nice. But bitch, when you in your bag, bitch, you Shaquille.
I ain't gonna kick in this bitch, killer on the bed.
Oh my god.
Okay, it's my turn. Hold on, wait. No, so like I was saying, food condiments.
Okay.
Like, can you say food condiments?
Food condiments.
Okay, food condiments we could do.
So we taking our shot because I took mine.
That's like fruit roll-ups and shit like that. I mean fruit roll-ups. I meant the what they call them. They call them not fruit roll-ups. They call them fruit roll-ups is the long ones. They call them the what the fuck is that? Y'all bitches are talking about not the fruit roll-ups. Cause fruit roll-ups is long.
I'm talking about the fruit roll-ups.
It's not fruit roll-ups. It's not fruit roll-ups. It's not called fruit roll-ups. It's called it's a difference. Fruit roll-ups is the long ones, and then the other ones is called fruit by no, they not.
Fruit by the foot?
Yeah, fruit by the foot, but the fruit by the foot is long too. The ones that square and you gotta unwrap and they real skinny. And what the fuck is they called? I'm irritated because I'm not. And it's on the tip of my tongue and I can't pull it out.
Well, I know about fruit roll-up.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, scratch that. It's my turn. Thank you. Anywho. I've been trying to spare y'all, but I'm about to go ahead and give y'all. No, I've been trying to spare them. I've been trying to spare them on the ratchet. On the ratchet, because we gotta hold up, y'all. We gotta turn this up. This ain't no just acting ratchet video like all the other motherfucking YouTubers. We need to come up and we need to blow up. This is viral, bitch. What's up?
Period.
So what we finna do is, bitch, I had to get some more tobacco because at the end of the day, we have to use that as. It don't matter. Fuck that. I'm sorry.
Check it the fuck
Never
out.
Never have I ever fucked in the woods, though. While people was walking.
I never did that.
Yeah, I ain't never did that.
Where I'm at? I'm at 6 now.
Wow.
Take a shot.
Girl, cause we get lit. How you think I got 27 baby daddy?
On the beat, bitch.
Cause I'm trying to tell y'all this is not possible without them. Shout out to my baby daddies, all 27 of them, because some of them, I'm like 15 of them, they do their job. They real good.
We ain't shouting out the baby daddies.
Hold on, 15 of them, we gonna shout out bitches cause my 15 baby daddies do their motherfucking job. I stay lit with a fat pocket. We ain't shouting out baby daddies. Only the good ones, because we got to recognize the good men that do that for their kids, y'all. Because don't do that. Because at the day, half of them ain't shit. Y'all know y'all ain't shit. But, I mean, the good ones, I salute you, baby.
Oh, shit.
I salute you. But other than that, them other motherfucking ones, I can't count, really. All I know is how to count to 27, so. Because I had to drop out, baby. I was having kids.
I know y'all killing my back.
I'm sorry. What y'all... You want to lay out like a motherfucking ottoman, bitch, I'm going to lay on you. What's wrong with you?
Hold on, bitch, because I
ain't
that motherfucking heavy, bitch. I can feel your motherfucking back. Bitch.
I probably was killing that bitch.
Okay, shoot, what you say?
At the end of the day, the bitch want to lay out like an ottoman, that bitch going to get laid off. Fuck, I ain't going to put my feet on you, but I'm going to lay on your ass. It's one of them body pillows, bitch.
Okay.
The nice ones. The ones you just wrap up with. Them ones. Fuck you, man. Whole body be comfortable.
Stop playing.
I ain't finna play with her.
Stop playing.
Anywho, yeah, y'all ain't get that. It's your turn. Here we go. Count me down. I'm at 6. I need to probably slow it the fuck up.
And whose turn is it?
Yours.
Yours, girl. Stop acting clueless.
What
y'all ass is
clueless.
Because you ain't got your nails on. And I ain't got my nails on, so you clueless. Bitch, you ain't clueless. You clueless.
Oh, my God. No, he didn't.
I'm trying to tell you. Because I saw him maybe.
Alright, okay. Never have.
Girl, because I had some scrimp and some mussels strong earlier, and I made some meatloaf, and I made some corn on the cob. Y'all already know it's corn on the cob. Bitch, I'm fucking dick all in the corner. Well, I'm sorry, y'all. It's your time.
Okay.
Bitch, she done died with sleep. Bitch, wake up. Let me give you.
Oh, she done died.
Bitch, CPR, first aid. Bitch, 1, 2, breathe. Come back, bitch. Come back. You on my black, bitch. Move.
Okay.
I'll take a sip to that.
Never have I ever had a threesome.
This bitch trying to make me fuck her up. Y'all, she know
I
I'm
never had
and I be
one.
out there and I be doing it and doing it and doing it.
I never had
be
one.
doing it and doing it and doing it.
Oh.
Cop doing it. Pop the gun on the dick. Blowing bubbles on the dick.
Oh.
I know it. Cause we ratchet, bitch. Cause
What
we
the
ratchet.
fuck? I can't take y'all serious at all.
Bitch, cause we
What did you say? Oh,
We
for
here.
bitch, what's wrong with you?
How many you got, bitch?
Look,
How many you got left? How many you got left? How you got? How you?
Alright, she
I'm trying to tell you, I be out here. I'm trying to tell you. They tell me I'm better than them all. I'm better than them all. Malpractice, bitch. Malpractice. Christmas all year round.
Alright, never have I ever skydived.
I never.
These bitches trying to get me out. They trying to fuck me up on my shit. That's not what's happening.
Hey, I swear to God, if you lose, you gotta drink that whole cup.
Girl, we on it.
Alright, come on.
I ain't gonna sip no more, y'all. I ain't gonna sip no more.
Hey, come on.
Alright, I got 4. It's my turn. So,
Yeah, you next.
never have I ever swallowed come from a nigga or a bitch.
Bitch, you can't even see your fingers.
Why? Your fingers ain't even in there. You ain't never did that? You're a lying ass.
Bitch, you
She a
blind like a
lying
motherfucker.
I don't want to do that.
Girl, you gotta try it.
It depends on what night.
Exactly.
That part. Cause y'all want to catch no.
Right.
Okay. So, it's your turn. But, is y'all trying to get real ratchet and tell some real truth?
Right.
Some real tea? Y'all trying to spill it today? My next question gonna kill it all, and this better be the truth.
Bitch.
I'm trying to tell you, I'm about to put it out there, bitch. We ratchet and we doing ratchet. What's up? I'm about to put it out there. Is y'all ready?
Let me hit that black.
Girl, you're thirsty ass.
Bitch,
you
fuck
always
you.
want to hit a
Matter of fact,
motherfucking
bitch, I
black.
don't even want to hit your motherfucking
Oh, don't hit my motherfucking black, baby. I'm gonna hit it, though. I'm gonna hit it, though. I'm gonna hit it, though.
That's
I'm gonna hit it, though.
thirsty.
Cause I
Bitch, who
am.
the fuck he talking
Cause
to?
I am. Cause I am.
Not like you
Black
should
cherry in the smoke.
Ah!
Bitch, hold on, wait. Hold on. Bitch, hold on, we doing this video, bitch. She pulling my hair, y'all. Look at her. She ain't even throwing no hands. The bitch pulling my hair. That's all she doing is pulling my hair. That's all that bitch did. Look, that's all that bitch did. That's all that bitch did is pull my ponytail out. Look, then she gonna swing on me. Then the bitch gonna kick me. That's all she did. No, I'm finna call Kiwi. Where's Strawberry Kiwi?
Call her, bitch. Call her. That bitch.
Yeah, that motherfucking help me. Fuck you. Bitch ain't even help me. What's he talking about?
Oh my God.
And then one of these hoes stole my motherfucking phone. So these bitches so thieves. They just stole my phone. I got another phone.
Bitch, what?
Hold on.
What's
Bitch,
up?
okay, you gonna be breaking the motherfucking nail.
What's up,
Fuck with me today.
Bitch, what's up?
Grab my phone.
Bitch, what's up?
LaQuisha, Latifah, Tiffany, whoever the fuck you is, bitch. Fat my motherfucking phone, bitch, right now. Fat my other motherfucking phone. It's right, bitch. Fat my motherfucking phone. This bitch, I'm finna call Kiwi Strawberry and them. And Kiwi Strawberry and them finna come up ass. We just doing the video. We just doing the video.
Shut your ass up, bitch. Bitch, move.
I can't see shit. The bitch did not look like something. She didn't know the movement. I can't do it.
Oh my God. Look at this bitch. Blackberry.
Bitch, it's cherry black.
Excuse me, cherry black.
Cherry. What has
cherry black.
Beat the fuck up. Look at this.
Okay, and because we finna finish the video.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Bitch, you gonna keep talking shit?
Okay, you know me, I'ma be me, bitch.
Okay,
you know you
keep
ain't
your
did
ass
nothing,
up, bitch.
And you know you ain't did
Pipe
nothing.
down, bitch.
Cause you know if you would've called me yesterday, I would've been all for it.
Pipe
I would've been all for it.
down. Pipe down.
Take it
Cherry black.
Hurry up.
Look, the bitch was fucking pull me out. This bitch was going up and pulling hair and knocking earrings off and pulling earrings. That bitch was pulling earrings back off and shit. That bitch was doing nothing. She better stop before she break one of them nasty.
I swear. Okay, because I'm going to be bad. I'm not blue, bitch. Time out.
The fuck back.
Oh, my phone, my booty vibrating. My booty vibrating. Hold on, my booty vibrating.
Black
Whose phone
cherry.
is this?
Black cherry.
Whose phone is this?
Mango cream.
Hold on. What the fuck she say her name was? Koala? Koala bear? Koala bear, bitch sit up here looking like a panda bear. She got her to be jumping up. I'm done with her. Kiwi strawberry now. Please help me. Pull it. Rachel.
Who you talking to?
Quiz. Demetrius. Daytime. Girl, you better stop hitting me, bitch. You better stop hitting me, bitch. I'm calling every last 27 in my baby daddy. You better get the fuck up. Where's my phone? Whose phone is this, bitch? I'm finna use somebody's phone. I'm finna use somebody's phone.
How the fuck we is? And we gonna smoke this motherfucker black.
Hold on. Can we finish the thing?
Time out.
Y'all see this just jumped on me.
Time out.
This your phone?
Yes.
Here.
Who you call?
It was up under my booty.
Oh.
Somebody call?
I don't know how I got up on there, girl. I got so much I didn't even know it was up on there. I've been looking for my phone though. Girl, hold on. Anyways, so we back. It's on you. Come on.
No!
Come on, y'all. For real, y'all. Because I done got jumped on.
You didn't get jumped!
I got jumped and it was
So
like
y'all
20.
see her get
No, because y'all seen them
because
jump me.
nobody jumped
And
you.
it was another motherfucker that just ran out the room. And then it was the nigga that jumped out
But
the
you not gonna
window.
put your hands on my
Girl,
face.
y'all seen her jump on me. Like her and all 5 of them that just jumped out the window.
Oh,
They
that's
was
what my hands
jumping.
feel like.
Girl, I don't know what they feel like, girl, because you ain't touched me. All you did is pull some hair and pull
But
an
you
earring
just-
out and try to
Shut up! Why you
grab my glasses. And try to grab
You
my glasses.
just, she lying.
I ain't worried about it, but can we get back to the video?
Yeah, come on.
It's your turn.
Can we spark the blunt? I mean, the
It's
black
your
too.
turn to Tiffany.
Lakeisha Tiffany.
She
Oh,
cussing out the
I was close.
Lakeisha Tiffany.
I was close, iffy.
Lakeisha Tiffany.
Yeah, I'm close, iffy.
Left.
This bitch iffy because she ain't even helped me not once and her ass
Wait,
sitting
and
over
why she
there.
really get up on you?
She moved on me, and the bitch didn't even help me. If we all friends and we all been grown up.
By both of y'all.
Bitch, you a lie. I didn't even touch you with my hand.
Well, you was all up on her, and you was
in my
jumping
hand.
on me.
So shut the fuck up.
Right.
I didn't even help you, bitch.
When
So
you
what
ain't
talking
jump on
about?
me,
I don't
you
care
ain't
about
jump
that.
on me.
In
You
my
ain't
hand.
jump on me.
You
You
hit me in
ain't
my hand
jump on me.
one time.
You ain't jump on me.
So
All you
what?
did is pull my
You-
hair.
you- ain't nobody
All you
put
did
your
is pull
hair
my
out,
hair,
girl.
pull my
That-
earring, pull my earring, and all you did is
Put
knock my
down.
glasses off. Bitch,
Put
you ain't
the
really
fuck-
do no
sit down,
damage.
hoe.
You ain't do
Sit down,
nothing.
hoe.
Can we finish
I'm
this
waiting on the
up?
white flag.
Sit down, hoe.
You
I'm waiting
done?
on your friend that didn't even help
You done?
I'm waiting on the
Anyway.
white
Sit
flag.
down, hoe.
I'm living for y'all. Y'all living for me. Y'all just living in it. It's my brother till next time.